Watch out!
What is going on, people? It's your boy Mr. Bucketlist. I just want to do a quick video as far as how to see the Las Vegas sign and what you need to do and what you need to know before you actually get there. Number one is parking. So there is a small parking lot that's there and it is free. So don't worry about having to pay for parking. The biggest issue is you want to try to get there when there is actual space available, which is going to kind of tie me to my next point. You want to try to get there as early as possible. And when I say early, I mean at least at the very latest between 6 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. because any later than that, it's going to be a line of people. It's going to be a lot of people. It's going to take some time out your day to actually see the sign. So if you can, try to get there early, knock it off your bucket list and get out of there. Another thing as well is not only is there the sign there, but then there's also like little plaques as well that has some just history about Las Vegas. So if you want to see some more information about Las Vegas, it's up there as well. Another thing too is if you do come early, Elvis is there to take pictures with you, but he won't be there super early. So if you go early, just know you won't be able to take a picture with Elvis. Other than that, as you all can see in this video, I mean, it was pretty great. It was cool. Nobody else was there besides me. I was able to do whatever I wanted, take the pictures I wanted to, and get the heck out of there. So just a quick heads up on how to actually visit the Las Vegas sign without having to deal with the large crowds, like you can see in this portion right here. And then of course it is right near one of the airports. So I mean, you have a little airport here as well. So if you like planes, stuff like that, maybe stick around. You'll see some planes flying overhead. Other than that, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Check out my full documentary on Las Vegas, and until then, I'll see you next time. Peace out. Actually, one last thing. So there is another Welcome to Las Vegas sign. This one is actually right beside the Strat. This one has no lines. It's almost in the middle of nowhere because nobody really comes down to this area near the Strat. So if you want to check out another sign, definitely come to this area right here. It's pretty cool, especially at night. Apparently it lights up and it's really cool. So check it out. Peace out. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.